Ayinla. This is another very popular Oriki in Yoruba land, but whose meaning many Yoruba people just don't know. We know that the yin in that name means to praise, but what is La? What can it mean? What stands between you and the understanding of that name is this video. After watching this video, any confusion that you may have about the name Ayinla will be erased. I promise you. So let us go ahead and break it down. Ayinla. The yin there, of course, we know means to praise or to be praised. But what is La? This word can be a bit tricky. The most popular usage of the word La is the one that means to lick, like saying Ọmọ náà lá àwọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀, the act of licking something. Onla sweetie. But even that meaning is an extended one. Originally, the word La describes something you do that shows your authority over that thing. It is because you've got authority over Obe, because you are superior to Obe, that you can La Obe. That is why that same word La can be used to mean to tease, like saying Mo fi ọmọ lá lójú. I make the person feel unhappy for having no child. You can see how La is used in that expression. I can tell a child Màá lá ẹ lábàrá, and that means I will beat you soundly. See how La has been used in that expression. Anything you do to show your authority over a thing is La. Tí n bá sọ pé mo ti fi eku náà lánu, it means I have expressed my authority, my superiority over eku, the rat, by eating it, by making it disappear. The A that starts that name is a noun maker that can be said to mean he, who. So who then is a child called Ayinla? And Ayinla is a child to be praised and to also be disciplined. Ọmọ tá ń yìn, tá tún lá. The child we praise, yes, but whom also we beat. A child to be praised and disciplined. What this simply means is that this child has the tendency of being a spoiled brat. Therefore, we must balance the praising of this child with harsh words also, with discipline. Soft hand must be balanced with iron hand. We shall follow the Yoruba philosophy of ìwọ̀ntúnwọ̀nsì in the raising of this child. Everything must be done moderately. You praise the child moderately, you discipline the child moderately. You encourage the child with sweet words as much as you also do the same with harsh words. One part must not be larger than the other. Why? Because we believe that these children are always headstrong. They have a high chance of becoming stubborn. But you also should not be always hard on them. Therefore, temper your hardness with softness. Balance your pampering with the rod. Praise Ayinla very well. But when his head swell beyond proportion, reset it back to factory setting with the use of the rod. That is the meaning of the Oriki. Ayinla, Wàá Ṣere.